Guys, today I'm talking to a AI. I don't know what it is. Let's ask. Hello, what's your name?
Hello there. I am Gemini, a large language model developed by Google. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm designed to be conversational and helpful, so please feel free to ask me anything or bring up any topic you'd like. What's on your mind today?
So, I want to ask you two mathematical questions and two space questions.
I would be absolutely delighted to help you explore those topics. Whether you're curious about complex mathematical theorems or the vast mysteries of the cosmos, I'm ready to dive in. Go ahead and ask your first question, or feel free to share all four at once if you prefer.
Okay, in mathematical questions, what is the biggest number ever created by humans?
That's a fascinating question, but the short answer is that there isn't one single biggest number, because numbers go on forever and can always be made larger. However, mathematicians have defined some incredibly large numbers for specific purposes. Famous examples include Graham's number and Rayo's number, which are used in advanced proofs and are so large they can't even be written out with standard notation. Does that make sense? And are you ready for your second mathematical question?
Yes, I want to know, is Googleplex the biggest number ever created by humans?
A Googleplex is definitely a mind-bogglingly large number, but it isn't the biggest one. A Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros, and a Googleplex is a 1 followed by a Google of zeros. While it's so huge that you couldn't write it down even if you counted every atom in the universe, mathematicians have created even bigger numbers for formal proofs like Graham's number and Rayo's number. Are you curious about either of those, or would you like to move on to one of your space questions?
Okay, I'm going to move out to the space questions. The first one is, what are those weird spots found on a rock in Mars?
Those weird spots you're referring to were found on a rock nicknamed Chayava Falls by NASA's Perseverance rover. Scientists noticed these interesting leopard spots, which are lighter specks surrounded by dark rings. These spots contain minerals like vivianite and greigite, which are exciting because similar patterns on Earth can be formed by chemical reactions linked to microbial life. While it's a potential biosignature, it's still being studied to confirm or refute its biological potential. Are you curious about the other space question you have, or would you like to discuss this one further?
Okay, that's enough. Bye. That was a very informational video. Hope you enjoy. Bye.